Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer iCloud keychain passwords to another Apple ID detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer iCloud keychain passwords to another Apple ID, start by ensuring both Apple IDs are ready for the process. On your first device, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud from the list of options. Look for Keychain in the list of iCloud services. Make sure the toggle for Keychain is turned on. Next, ensure that your passwords are synchronized to iCloud. To do this, open the Passwords section in Settings. Verify that all your saved passwords are listed there. Once you've confirmed this, move to your second device. Sign out of your current Apple ID by going back to the Apple ID settings. Select Sign Out and follow the prompts to complete the sign out process. Now, sign in with your new Apple ID. After signing in, go back to the iCloud settings. Enable Keychain by toggling it on. This will initiate the process of retrieving stored passwords. Wait for a moment as it syncs your iCloud keychain data. To verify the transfer, go to the Passwords section in Settings on your second device. Check to ensure all the desired passwords have been synced successfully. If any passwords are missing, you may need to manually enter them or restore them from a backup. It's important to remember that transferring iCloud keychain data isn't a seamless process. You may have to repeat these steps if you encounter any issues during the transfer. Always keep a backup of your passwords for safety reasons. This ensures that you don't lose any important information during the transfer. Once you have verified everything, your iCloud keychain should now be available on your new Apple ID. Enjoy the convenience of your passwords at your fingertips on the new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.